right about now. I need you.
Hey guys, it is Melissa Danielle. We're going to be doing our hair today because she needs some deliverance. I'm working with AliPearl. I think I've worked with them before, a long time ago. Anyways, I'm working with AliPearl. I'm bringing you guys a vibrant red wig. I am sort of nervous because I haven't did like a solid bright color in a while, so I'm like, but it's a bob, so I feel a lot more comfortable. Anyways, let's just get right into this. So like I said, this is AliPearl. I have their 14-inch dark red bob wig. It's 180% density, and I got a medium cap size, and it comes like this. She's already curled. I love when they do the work for you. 5x5 lace closure wig. Like I said, it is 14 inches. You can definitely get different lengths if you want to. So before we get into the wig, in your bag, you get this big. Oh, I love how huge this is. So you get your satin scarf, very cute full lashes. I don't know if they're gonna show. An elastic band that you can attach to your wig. You get your edge comb. You get your little melt elastic band to help melt your wig down if you want to glue it down. The closure wig, you don't have to glue these down. They can be glueless. All you gotta do is cut the lace off, and it has combs on the inside. So I see a comb right here, a comb right here, and then it has a comb at the nape with adjustable straps. And this is what the lace looks like. Like I said, it's a 5x5, so you get 5 inches across and 5 inches in parting space going down here. It's nice, and look how they curled it, you guys. It's already curled for you. Oh, it's so freaking pretty. I'm just gonna cut the lace off because I never use that. So I'm just gonna cut off all this excess lace. I'm gonna cut it like this. Don't cut it straight across, like sort of like wave it up and down and all around the town. And I cut it all the way off when I come to this side piece over here. Some foundation on the inside of the lace so that it matches my skin tone. And don't press it because you don't want to get it on the hair. Just lightly feather strokes on the lace. You can see it's already turning colors.
I need you right about now. I need you right about now.
Let's try one and see what she looks like. Take the combs and tuck them into my natural hair on the sides here so I can get it as flat as possible. So I just take the cap, stretch it like that, and then bury the combs in. So then that way it lays flat up front. I'm also tucking the comb in the back as well. Actually, I don't want to comb it just yet. Let me finger comb it and see what it looks like.
Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while.
I'm going to slip this down just because I want to have a little bit of baby hair. Nothing major, just a little bit right here. I'm gonna use some I Got To Be Glued gel to gel this little bit of baby hair down. I'm just using a tiny bit. I'm gonna put it up here at the root. I'm not gonna slick it all the way through because I want to still have to comb it through with my comb. I want to curl this bang too because this is drooping a little bit. I want it to be more like, so I'm gonna curl it a little bit. I'm gonna curl it back going away from my face. I used to have a curling iron. I don't know what happened to it. I cannot seem to find it. I don't know if I threw it away on accident when I was moving, but I cannot find it.
Make me hit that do re mi. Not a type of sit back, bodies in contact. Come on, let me give you all of me. Whether we're loving or fucking, placing our bed like it's all in or nothing. Don't mind if I me what's your introduction. Know what to do when I text you, I'm coming. All I think about is you. And I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you.
I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on the parting space.
I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby, yeah. Ooh, I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe. I got you, I got you, I got you, baby, yeah.
This hair is soft. The cap fits amazing. Like, it's so comfortable. It's not too big. It's not too small. It is just fitting. Like, I feel secure in this. I could go outside the house without gluing it down, and I am not afraid of it coming off because the comb is keeping it in place. It's really cute, and the color is definitely fun. And I'm so happy they curled the hair for you. Like, come on, come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have this hair linked down below in the description bar. Like I said, it's from AliPearl. I don't have a discount code right now, but if I get a discount code, I will put it down below in the description bar for you guys as well. I'm talking really fast. If I get a discount code, it will be down below in the description bar of this video. But yeah, make sure to comment, make sure to like, share with your friends if you want to, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.